Hi, we can provide a very competitive price and we feedback very in time. So the trust must be here. My target it is not to find a new buyer, but my factory need more sales value. Actually, we would like to focus on you.
If you would tell me, I will work with you from the buyer perspective. Try to find a way, get the VIP service from you.
Because it is annoying when salespeople who has so many different orders to do, they don't have enough time for you. Imagine that if new buyer come, they priority them, the production timing will be brought down. What is the production timing right now? 30 days. It will turn to 45 days, even 60 days. So the precious timing will be lost. We will focus on you. You will get the exactly timing as the same I promised you before. I would like to make sure we can focus on in-scale our business instead of find a new buyer.
廖川。